What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're researching how to make passive income online. Maybe you're working a job right now and you don't want to keep trading your time for money. And maybe you're looking for a legit, easy way that you can start having money coming in even while you're out, maybe hanging out with friends or even while you're sleeping. Well, you're in the right place, my friend, because I'm going to share with you an opportunity that I discovered that allows you to create passive income online very easily, even if you're brand new or you've never done it before. See, I was similar to probably you watching this video. A few years ago, I was slaving away as a waiter. I was actually working at a restaurant called Chili's, which we have in Houston, Texas, which is where I was living. And I would slave away for hours all day being on my feet. I would come home at the end of the day, utterly exhausted. And I was just searching online constantly, looking for a way to have money coming in while, again, I'm even sleeping, where I don't have to go somewhere or, be working constantly to have this money coming in. And I did a lot of research. There's a lot of so-called passive income opportunities, as maybe you've seen from other videos that you've watched. And, you can go down the different rabbit holes. Well, I invested a lot of my hard-earned money into many things that, unfortunately, I would get inside of it. I would start to try to figure it out, and it promised the world, but it never actually delivered. And again, maybe you can relate to that. Maybe you've tried other things online in the past, you've struggled, you've failed, and you're frustrated, but you still have a little bit of hope, right? You haven't given up completely, and that's where I was. I had just dropped out of college, and I really didn't have a plan B. I had to figure this out. So what happened was, after a long journey of pain, I finally discovered an opportunity that worked. I remembered one time I was watching a YouTube video very closely, and as I listened to this person's voice, what he said just resonated. And I remember he had a link directly below that video. I went to that page, I put my best email in, and I checked out that opportunity. I got started, and just applying the simple blueprint he shared with me, in about 30 days, I was able to quit my job, go full-time from home, and do the things I want to do with the people I love doing it with. So I want to share with you, it's not too good to be true. It's totally possible, and it's really simple. So what I've done is I've included a link directly below this video, or you can just head to my website, profitwithgarrett.com. When you go to my website, I'm going to explain to you exactly how this simple online passive business works. We have people from around the world, people 18 years old all the way up to 80, that have plugged into that simple autopilot business, have followed the simple 30 to 60 minute a day blueprint, and have been able to generate some absolutely incredible income. We had a person the other day, had never done anything like this before, and they posted in our private Facebook group for members only that you'll be able to join when you get started today. And she was able to generate $500 in a single day while she was hanging out with her kids in the park. Okay, so it's absolutely incredible. So again, if you're watching this video, I want to share with you, it's not too good to be true. It's totally possible. And to shortcut your learning curve, to shortcut your path, I highly recommend you check out the link below. It's my #1 recommended business after 5 long years online. I've tried virtually everything. I've tried drop shipping. I've tried doing surveys. I've tried doing coaching and consulting, network marketing, right? You name it, and I've probably tried it. So to shortcut your path, go down below. It's not going to be available forever. So if you do go to my website, it's no longer available. I apologize beforehand, but it can't hurt to take a look. Go check it out right now. Put your best email into my website. I'll shoot you some private emails revealing more information, more success stories, so you can really see what's possible, and you'll see exactly how to get started today, okay? Getting started takes about 5 minutes, and you'll be able to access the entire blueprint to really create that passive income you want. So again, go down below, my friend. I'm about to meet up some friends for lunch. Beautiful day here. I hope this helped you, my friend. This is what I wish I would have known when I was still slaving away at Chili's for measly tips. Go down below, my friend, and I look forward to seeing you over on my website. Take care.